Welcome back, everybody. I'm Crystal, RealNesters, as you'll see at RealNesters, and today I'm welcoming you guys back for another unboxing and product review. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, you know we like to bring you the latest cool products or share with you guys our little mini Christmases, as I like to call it, when we order products. And then here on this channel, the Thomas family, we reviewed them for you. And if you'd like to also check out our James and Crystal channel where we do vlogs. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, we bringing y'all two YouTube channels. But today, I'm going to review this product. And if you like this product, check the link down below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. I am Crystal, RealNesters. Nah, just kidding. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. And today I'm doing an unboxing of the Fitbit Inspire 2. Anyway, so if you guys have watched previous videos, I don't think I did an unboxing of my other one, but I had a Fitbit Inspire. And I say had because I gotta show y'all this. This is what went down with that. It didn't just break the thing. It broke down in here, so I actually had to replace it. So, but I will be honest, I'm a bit of a Fitbit fan. I had this one for 2 years. I think I had one before this for 2 years. So this is actually my third one. And so today we're gonna unbox it and y'all gonna see me set it up. This one, fitness tracker and heart rate, includes a 1-year premier, I don't know what that says, let me see, trial. I don't know if I want to mess with that because you know how they get you put your bank card in and all that. I don't know if they asked for that, but we'll see. So the Fitbit Inspire 2, 24/7 heart rate, active zone minutes, sleep tracking, sleep score, call, text, and app notifications. Now you would think with a screen this small, and I'm going to show y'all when I take it out the box, it doesn't do everything, but it really does. When you're, like I said, I had the one, wherever I did with it here, and you see how small that screen is, but it, you know, your messages will pop up. It will show up. It's just brief though, like you don't get to go back and everything. So we're going to unbox this. Oh, let me see what else I want to share. So the Fitbit Inspire 2 has up to a 10-day battery, includes small and a large size band. They're not lying. I can't vouch for this one, but my other one, I probably went 2 weeks in between time before I had the charger. So the battery was good on that one. So this is how our beautiful little application looks here. We have the watch. This is probably the charger. We're going to open that up. And the quick start guide. Y'all know we need our quick start guide because ain't nobody got time for that. For that reason, we ain't doing that. So we got our watch. You'll see a nice little band here. We're going to uncover that. And y'all see how that looks. And again, this is the Fitbit Inspire 2. So because I had the one, we can see how the faces are different. Okay, now these bands are pretty good. I always, as y'all see, I had a blue band on this one. These bands are interchangeable. You could buy a set of 3 on Amazon for like 15 bucks or something like that, so you don't have to keep the black. I did that. Really big on changing them. Here's the extra band they send with it. So the small one is on, and you can change it with the large one. Here we have the charger. So that's how the charger looks, ladies and gentlemen. And they give you a very short cord. So for me, it's easy to put it like somewhere where you got a socket on a counter would be best because they are pretty short. So we'll open this up so y'all can see the back. That's the charger, and these are the sensors And this is where you get your little sound. So all of that actually does work. Like I said, I'm on my third one. And here's all the stuff that don't nobody have time for that. Okay? So we're gonna get this little baby set up. I have the app on my phone. I keep it on my phone. And I need to update. I was carrying this one around in my pocket. My husband felt sorry for me and just went and bought me a new one. Don't laugh at me, babe. So I'm going to update this to count my steps for the day because I'm always in the little race with somebody. Making sure that update. And then we're going to get rid of it. Alright, so ladies and gentlemen, my wonderful husband just pointed out something new. Part of the upgrade on this one is that this one has clips at the top and the bottom so that you can snap it onto the back of here, whereas the other one does not. Let's see if we could get this started. So previously, this one actually had a little button on the side that you could push to make the face light up. Y'all see my sensor going. This button actually is made into it. You can't even, it's, you know, it's part of the watch. You gotta like tap it here. So it's saying like download and update your Fitbit. So let's get this thing going. Of course, I got the app already. I have to go in and maybe, oh, it's already telling me tap to set up this device. How about that? So I'm just gonna hit set up. Y'all didn't see it, but it said tap to set up this device. My app picked it up on its own. So we excited. Okay, so see, it's saying here, switch to the Fitbit Charge 2. I mean the Inspire 2. Y'all can see that. There's a Fitbit Inspire connected to your account already. Switch to the Inspire 2.
Yeah.
They don't make it can't get no more easier than this, ladies and gentlemen. Fitbit ain't playing. Privacy and device, Fitbit device. So of course they give you all of this. So this is all natural, you guys. They have to do this disclaimers for themselves. Hit accept. Align the gold pins on the back of the device with the charger. Then clip into the device until it snaps into place. I don't know why we're doing this because it's already charged. So I did that. Next. Oh, y'all can't see my secret code. Says connecting. And now it's asking for my secret code. Now this usually takes a couple minutes. So in the meantime, while that's doing that, all right, it also says includes personalized health and fitness guidance, exclusive insights, sleep tools, and more. Now again, I had this already, and I actually enjoyed looking at, you know, keeping up with my sleep patterns, your breathing activity. You can set it on an autopilot to acknowledge when you're exercising and things like that. So the box says, welcome to Fitbit family. New to Fitbit, download the app, have an account. Tap your account icon to get set up. If you have questions, let us help. And they do have this handy dandy help thing, but I usually end up working through a lot of it myself. The only issues I have found with the Fitbit watches is that if you don't sync like past 4 or 5 days in a row, pairing requests. Pair, yep. So it's really easy. It's practically doing everything for me. Like I told y'all, I had a 1, so it's updating to the 2. Then I'm going to kick the 1 off. Protect your new device, covers damage from accidents, spills, blah, 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 blah. Not now. I don't purchase all that. Update available. This process normally takes several minutes to complete. Make sure to keep Inspire 2 charging and near your phone until the update. Now I don't have to do that because the good hubby opened it and charged it for me.
You need to update though.
No, I was talking about I didn't have to put it on the charger. Okay, so you download your app, charge to 100%, sync with the app, any issues. I was saying the one issue that I have found with Fitbit is that if you don't sync it for 5 days or plus, sometimes it gets out of sync, and either you have to disconnect your um, watch and reconnect it, or you have to close the app and reopen it. So yeah, that it takes a little bit, but um, it said you can use your phone